how to completely uninstall and remove a printer driver from your PC on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to fully remove a printer and its driver from your system. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on Bluetooth and Devices. At this point, click on Printers and Scanners. From there, find the printer you want to remove and click on it. After that, click on Remove Device and confirm when prompted. In the next step, once the printer is removed, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. From there, click on View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. At this stage, expand the Printer section and look for your printer in the list. Right-click on it and click on Uninstall Device. From there, check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device and click on Uninstall to confirm. Once done, close Device Manager and right-click on the Start button again. Click on Run and type in printmanagement.msc and press Enter to open the Print Management window. Following this, click on All Drivers from the left side panel. From there, find your printer driver in the list, right-click on it, and click on Delete to fully remove the driver from your system. At this point, confirm the deletion when prompted. From here, close the Print Management window and restart your PC to complete the removal process. And that's it. If this guide helped you completely uninstall and remove a printer driver from your PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.